The More function. This is a perfect time for me to mention that the bottom soft keys have 4 physical buttons, but can be programmed with up to 18 functions. As features and speed dial keys are added and fill up the soft keys, they are simply added to the next page of soft keys. When more pages of soft keys are available, you will see the right soft key change to the More icon, indicated by dots. The highlighted dot represents your page location. To advance to the next page, press the More soft key. Pressing the More soft key will cycle through your pages and back to the first page of soft keys. The More function also works with the top soft keys. The top soft keys have 6 physical buttons, but can have up to 20 functions, and the More soft key would be located on the 6th button of the top soft keys.